Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open all links at once in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with spreadsheets that contain multiple URLs and you need to review them all quickly without clicking each one individually. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to workspace.google.com in your browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, you'll see all your recent files and folders displayed. Simply click on the specific spreadsheet where you want to open all links at once. This could be a project tracker, a resource list, or any sheet containing multiple hyperlinks that you need to access simultaneously. Now that your spreadsheet is open, take a look at your data. You might notice that you have multiple cells containing links scattered throughout your sheet. The key here is to select all the cells that contain the links you want to open. To do this, click on the first cell with a link and drag your cursor to highlight all the relevant cells. You can also hold down the Shift key while clicking to select a range, or use Command or Control plus click to select non-adjacent cells if your links aren't all grouped together. With all your link-containing cells highlighted, the next step is to right-click anywhere within the selected area. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for manipulating your selected cells. Look through this menu carefully because we're about to access a powerful feature that many users don't even know exists. In the context menu that appears, you'll see an option that says View More Cell Actions. Click on this option to expand additional functionality. This reveals more advanced actions you can perform on your selected cells beyond the basic cut, copy, and paste operations. From the expanded menu, you'll now see an option labeled Open Links. Go ahead and click on it. This is the magic button that will save you countless clicks and time. What happens next is that Google Sheets will automatically detect all the hyperlinks within your selected cells and open every single one of them simultaneously in separate browser tabs. And just like that, all your links will open at once in your browser. Depending on how many links you selected, you might see several new tabs appear across the top of your browser window. This feature is perfect for quickly reviewing multiple resources, checking several websites for updates, or verifying that all links in your spreadsheet are still active and working properly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.